TECNOCK RC remote control Defender. High speed, high performance remote control race car for kids, boys, and adults. Easy to, oh, this is very good. Very good suspension. Has lights. Underneath, this comes up. The power pack connects there. Power on and off switch. Degree and ratio of turn button. Very well constructed. You get a remote. Takes 4 AA batteries. Cover for the remote. 2 rechargeable AA battery packs that goes at the bottom of the car. You get the USB charging cable, goes right here, charge the battery, then install the battery inside the car. The remote takes 4 AA batteries. Very easy to control, very easy to use. Off and on button. 4 AA batteries. Makes a great gift. Very good value for your money. You get 2 extra battery packs, charging cable, screwdriver, and user manual. Thank you.